Hello guys, I am kaviyarasu. Today we are going to see about cloud computing and how to start an EC2 server on Linux via cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a delivery of different services through internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking and software, rather than keeping files on a proprietary hardware or local storage devices. Let me tell you the benefits of using AWS cloud computing. It is easy to use, flexible, cost effective, reliable, and scalable and high performance and secure. When you are signing for a new account, you have to provide your debit card number compulsory because it reduces a spam creation. I have already created the AWS account. Let me log into the console. Amazon provides a variety of services through AWS. Today we are going to see about EC2 compute engine. This is how EC2 console looks. Amazon Elastic Compute is called EC2. It's a web service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web-scale cloud computing easier for developers. Let me make a demo of creating and running a EC2 server and connecting with the putty software. I already created an instance, so let's start the server. This is my instance type t2.micro. It takes few seconds to change the state of pending to started. Yeah, it's running. Let's copy his public DNS. Open the putty software. First of all, we have to configure our private key which is used to authenticate the server. Now we are connected to the Amazon EC2 server. It is an Ubuntu server. We have to use Linux commands to work with it. You can use this server for deploying web hosting services and web apps also. So guys, I think now you got a basic knowledge of Amazon EC2 services. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon near that. Thank you, signing off, kaviyarasu.